Hey there, in this video tutorial I will tell you how you can fix this error message of upload max file size limit. So it will really simple. Go to your Prohosty account and click on cPanel icon. When you click, then it will log in your cPanel, and when you log in, then find select here. You find select, you get a select PHP version option. When you click this, then it will be open this kind interface. Here it will select 7.2 native, but you can go to 7.2 and set is current. When you set it current, then you able to access all settings and extensions. So go to here, options, and options you can get upload limit here, maximum file size, and you can change it any limit as you want, 1 GB or minimum 1 MB, etc. When you change it, it will save, and your upload max file size, which you getting error upload max file size, it will be 1 GB now. So you can now upload any file, theme, plugin, etc. without any issues. You can increase your post max size also. It will help to import your post. So I will increase is 128 MB. It's sufficient for post size because post will be approx 1 MB. I hope guys you really enjoy this video, and it's so simple process to fix these issues. Meet in next video. Bye. Have a great day.